This video is going to be a rather quick one, as all we're going to be looking at is how to insert an online video. So for inserting an online video, we go to our Insert tab, and across here we have a look at Media, and we can see that there's an online video option. So we can click on our online video. So we get two places to look. We can search on YouTube, or if we have a video link already, we can embed the code. So all we do is take the URL or our web address and we paste it in there. So let us look for insert online videos. Let us look for puppies. Okay. There we go. Let's click on that one and we click insert. And a video has been added for puppies. And we can go and crop it. We can select the crop tool. I've never played this. I don't know if I'm doing the right thing by cropping it like this. Okay, I'm happy with that. And then we can play the video. So it opens up in a new screen. And then we just click play, and then it plays for us. I'm not going to sit, our video is unavailable right now. So clearly it's not working. All the video has been deleted from YouTube. So that is how you insert an online video